Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a makeup tutorial using the Huda Beauty Nude palette. So here we go. First color I'm using is Love Bite, and I'm placing that into my crease and blending it out. Okay, so the next color is called Spanked, which is funny, and I'm placing that right above the crease color. Now I'm going to be using the Louise Base to basically do like a mid-cut crease. I'm not the best at this, but this is basically how I do that, and this is probably the best concealer to use for that. And then after that, I'm going to go back into Love Bite and then place that on the outer corner. So now going back to the color Spanked, I'm going to kind of use the same method that I used when I applied it above the crease, and I'm going to apply it right next to the burgundy color on the outer corner, and I'm just going to go back and forth between the colors until I get the intensity that I'm looking for. So now with this color called Daydream, I'm using my finger to apply that to where I made the cut crease with the concealer. And then I'm going to go into this glitter color called Excite, and I'm going to apply that to the outer corner. Okay, so now I'm just taking the colors Love Bite and Spanked and applying that to the lower lash line and smudging it all out. Now I'm taking this color called Crave, and again using my finger I'm applying that to my tear duct. Next step is to apply eyeliner, and you guys know I love me a good wing eyeliner. And then after that I'm taking some black eyeliner and applying that to my lower lash line, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and apply some mascara and false lashes. Alright, so after that the look is complete, and I just realized I didn't film what I used on my lips, but I will be sure to have that mentioned in the comment section below. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Subscribe if you haven't already, and until the next video I will see you guys later. Bye!